Hi, I am Biplabi speaking, and this is my daily video checklist. Today I working at 9 in the morning, and also check all about the Beta Team rental channel. And their Beta Team there have a in video. I also watch that video, and then I go to my routine work, and that was today is my schedule work is Frontier. I also work on that and got some product, and that already submitted in my data sheet, and also work on you have said yesterday to make some video on one-step product research process, and today I actually make a outline and written outline actually, and tomorrow I will work on that and make a video. And work on KGG add, and also reply not reply, and collect someone rentee and set it on rental channel. Please check over there. So this is today's work detail. So thank you for watching my video. Bye.